The discriminant actually comes from the quadratic formula. It's actually the piece underneath the square root in the quadratic formula, the b squared minus 4ac. Now we can use the discriminant to help us determine what kind of roots we're dealing with, whether they're real, whether they're rational, irrational, imaginary, equal, and unequal. Now, by just calculating the discriminant alone, we can determine any one of those things. Let's just practice calculating the discriminant. Now, just like the quadratic formula, we have to have a quadratic equation in the standard form. So the ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 form, where we're mainly concerned about the parts a, b, and c. So we could substitute right back into the equation. So if we take a look at this practice problem at the bottom, it says, what is the discriminant of the quadratic equation 3x squared minus 2x equals 2? Well, first problem right off the bat is that it's not in standard form, so we'll subtract the 2 over to get this into our standard form. So we end up with 3x squared minus 2x minus 2 equals 0. Now the next piece is to figure out what our a, our b, and our c are equal to. A in this case is 3, b is negative 2, and c is also negative 2. When we substitute this into the discriminant, we end up with b squared, so negative 2 squared minus 4 times a, which is 3, times c, which is also negative 2. And we'll simplify this answer. So negative 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times 3 is 12, times negative 2 is negative 24. So really we have keep change situation. 4 minus negative 24 is really 4 plus 24, so we end up with the discriminant being 28. Now this number again, 28 underneath a radical, will help you determine what kind of roots you have, and we'll practice more with that tomorrow.